Hello, Mrs. Paul. How can I help you today?
Mihira, my child has head lice, and I'm not sure what to do.
I understand. Head lice are common in children, especially in schools. They can be easily spread through close contact with an infected person.
Is there a way to prevent the spread of head lice?
It's important to check your child's hair regularly for lice and nits. If you find lice, treat the entire family to prevent reinfection.
What are the treatment options for head lice?
There are over-the-counter lice shampoos and lotions available. Follow the instructions on the product carefully. You may also need to comb out the lice and nits with a fine-toothed comb.
Will these treatments kill the lice eggs?
Yes, most over-the-counter treatments are effective against both lice and nits. However, it's important to repeat the treatment after a few days to kill any surviving lice.
Mihira, are there any precautions I should take to prevent the spread of lice to others?
Wash bedding, towels, and clothing in hot water. Avoid sharing combs, brushes, or hats with other people.
Mihira, it's completely normal to wonder what happens if something unexpected comes up during your preoperative checks. So, if any issues are identified during your assessment, for instance, if a blood test shows something we need to look into further, please know that we'll always take the necessary steps to ensure your well-being. This might mean arranging specialist consultations for you to see another doctor, or perhaps scheduling additional tests to get a clearer picture. We might also need to make some medication adjustments if you're currently taking anything that could affect your surgery. I also want to be transparent with you that, in certain situations, for your safety, there is a possibility of delaying the surgery. This decision is never made lightly and is always with your best interest and safety as the absolute top priority. Our goal is to make sure you are in the best possible condition before we proceed. We'll always discuss everything with you openly and ensure you understand any next steps. This is always done with your best interest and safety as the top priority. How do you feel about proceeding with this assessment and the planned surgery, now that we've discussed everything? Are you comfortable with us moving forward?